I heard you've been missing me. I'm here. I heard you've been missing me. I didn't believe me. I'm here. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. I haven't been vlogging because school resumed, and there are, making me do the good work I came here to do. So, I just had to put content creation on a halt. But how are you guys doing? I'm good. I'm always good. I'm always good. I'm going to Scarborough for a conference this morning. I just thought it's like such a good opportunity to make a vlog. So, welcome to my vlog. I have a lot of videos that I need to edit. I've not had the chance to do it, but anywho, let's see how this goes. I hope I will get the chance to edit this video, but anyway, I'm going to try my best. So come with me as I take you to Scarborough. I hope you enjoy this vlog. You guys prepare for the most shaky vlog because I refuse to bring my tripod.